Hello friends and welcome to my channel OrgaNatic. In today's video I'm going to review the best plastic-free kitchen organizers. If you like videos about home organization, please subscribe to my channel and let's get started. A sponge for washing dishes is a loyal companion of any kitchen sink. However, most of us don't want to see it on the surface. Fortunately, you can find self-adhesive sink holders that attach to the inside of a sink and stay out of sight, out of mind. In addition, the sponge will always be at hand and well dried. The water from it will drain into the sink and your kitchen will look much tidier. These sliding dividers immediately won my heart. They are made of bamboo and look really cool. It's easy to install them in a drawer, just press on one side and insert the other. In my recent video you have already seen how I adapted these dividers for the bottom drawer in my kitchen, and as promised I will show you my other drawers. For example, in this drawer I keep everything for storing leftovers as well as coasters for a hot plate. So I am installing a few sliding dividers to fit the size of the items that I will store here. The dividers are easy to move if necessary. Let's begin arranging everything. This is where I'll put this glass dish. Next to it I will be placing another dish which I currently have in the refrigerator. I will temporarily take it out for the purpose of this video, so you have a complete picture of how everything will look here. Now let's arrange the rest. I still use this organizer for back clips and I will replace it when I'll find something more suitable. And this is the result. These dividers helped me organize and secure things in their places, so they will stay put even if I pull the drawer too hard. I wanted to buy this drawer organizer for a long time because it's very unusual, and now you will see it for yourself. I was planning to include it in the plastic-free kitchen organizers video, but when I unpacked it, I realized that it has plastic components. I still decided to show this organizer in this video because it is so unique. I hope you'll forgive me. It's shipped disassembled, so I had to break a sweat to put it together the first time. I even considered giving up and returning it, but I am glad that I didn't. This is how you assemble it. First you need to connect the bars to the wall and insert these 5 parts. Then connect the second wall. Repeat the process with the second set. Next you need to move everything in the drawer and continue installation there. Then install bars on one side and on the other, put corner covers, and now the best part begins. I insert elastic bands into the moving elements like this. And done! You can store this organizer this way or this way. This is where I will store my groceries. I will stick spaghetti in the formed gap and the rest goes into the compartments. The elastic dividers make this organizer truly unique. On one hand they secure all the objects in place, on the other hand they easily bend if the object is wider, which makes it possible to combine containers of different sizes and store them in one place. The rows remain more or less even, and it's really easy to navigate here. Many of us would like to live in a more ecologically friendly and sustainably manner. Did you know that when synthetic clothing such as fleece jackets or sports textiles are washed, tiny fibers come loose? They are one of the main contributors of microplastics in the ocean, since they can do so through wastewater. Also, I try to live more sustainably and purchase clothing that is made of natural fibers, and since silk feels so good against my skin and is thought to be a more sustainable fiber, it's definitely my favorite textile. Also, you can replace many other items in your wardrobe with a small number of high-quality pieces. My wardrobe would not be complete without silk shorts. You can dress them up or down based on your needs because they are so elegant and adaptable. They complement almost anything. Silk is a lovely material. Few if any other styles of apparel can equal the air of elegance and refinement it exudes. I typically pair them with jeans or dress pants and feel quite cozy. Today I'd like to thank Mommesilk for gifting me these amazing silk products. The Mommesilk factory is based without a middleman, so they can produce luxury goods at a reasonable price. It was founded by Women for Women in 2012, and they produce home and casual wear, as well as silk pillowcases, bedding, pajamas and different accessories. And their up to 100-day return policy is something I really value. Speaking of pajamas, because they are all so wonderful, choosing a hue was quite tough. Please let me know in the comments what color would be your favorite. Mommesilk is a socially responsible company that gives back. They collaborate with the Southern California Goodwill Group to help people in need by donating clothing. Their warehouses are located both at home and abroad. As a result, they provide quick delivery with no worries after the sale. Mommesilk pillowcases have captured my heart. It's an ideal blend of silk thickness and durability. They come in a variety of sizes and colors. There are numerous advantages to sleeping on this material. What I like most about it is that it helps your skin retain more moisture, rather than having it absorbed into your cotton pillowcases. Also, because silk is naturally smoother than other fabrics, your hair glides over its surface without any friction. This has a lot of advantages for having healthier hair. Now let me show you this washable Mommesilk comforter. It is made with the finest silk floss available to keep you warm and cozy without overheating, even in hot summer weather. The fillings used here are made of 100% pure and natural long-strand silk. Mommesilk has a wide range of amazing products. They are affordable, classic and of high quality. I'll leave the links to the Mommesilk products mentioned in this video, as well as my personal discount code in the description box below. A tray is a very useful thing in the kitchen, and if it is made of bamboo or wood, this thing is also gorgeous. Bamboo is the favorite material of many of us, and it is not surprising. It's hypoallergenic and resists the growth of microorganisms. That's why it is safe for food. I wanted a tray to carry dishes from the kitchen to the dining table or terrace for some time now. This one is perfect for me. It is unsophisticated and its design is ergonomic, stylish and minimalistic, just the way I like it. Trays made of natural materials will make a good addition to the eco-style interior of the kitchen or living room. While they are not in use, store them vertically. That way they will take up less space. It's hard to imagine a kitchen without tea. If you want to store your tea bags not only in style but also with functionality, I recommend this organizer. It can also be used for hair accessories, jewelry, or even small office supplies. The good thing is that bamboo almost doesn't absorb odors, so you can keep here different sorts of tea. I've been using this organizer for many years now, and I'm very satisfied with it. It's easy to clean, doesn't absorb odors, and keeps its shape even after many years. What do you think about this organizer? It's made of reeds and it's meant to hold cutlery. It also works for pencils and pens. You can even use it for makeup brushes. This organizer will hold cutlery that we use for garden parties. I love that it looks cute and proves that order can be beautiful. Are you familiar with this organizer? It is also used for cutlery and will be a big help in a small kitchen. As you can see, the cells here are tilted, which helps store cutlery in a more compact way than in a traditional organizer. Right now this drawer is a mess. There is no order and the cutlery organizer takes up too much space. Let's arrange this drawer with the help of our new organizer. I think it turned out great. Glass containers are gaining popularity. I searched many stores until I found these jars that were perfect for me. Their lids are made of bamboo and equipped with a silicone ring that helps to close the jars tightly. The only thing I don't understand is why the manufacturer put so many stickers on it, which are also quite hard to peel off. When choosing glass jars, pay attention to their weight. If they are too heavy, they can slip out of your hand more easily and break. My jars are very light yet durable. I washed the jars themselves in a dishwasher and washed the lids by hand. Now let's fill them up with products. Here I will store sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, as well as chia and flax seeds. I love adding them to the salads, so I use them every day. By the way, if you'd like to know how I easily lost 15 pounds, be sure to check out my previous video. The jars should be labeled so you know what they contain. Take a look at the result. I will store these jars in a drawer on the kitchen island, where I will also use bamboo dividers. Let's arrange the jars. If you arrange the contents by color, as in my case from light to dark, then it will be easier to navigate even without labels. I love the result! You will find paper towels in many kitchens, and so the next useful kitchen storage helper is the towel holder. It's attached to the cabinet and helps to keep the roll in easy access. How do you like this idea? Use wicker baskets instead of regular drawers. They will add coziness to your kitchen and will be perfect for fruit and vegetables. If you liked this video, please show it to me by hitting the like button. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new. See you soon. Bye bye!